This video tutorial I will explain what is Scrum. Imagine you are part of the team working on the project, like building a new house. You have a group of people with different skills, like carpenters, plumbers, and electricians. All are working together to complete the house. Now we can think of Scrum as the way to organize and manage this teamwork effectively. In Scrum, project is broken down into smaller parts, which is called sprints. And each sprint is like a short race, where team works intensely to finish specific part of the project. For example, in one sprint, the team might focus on building the walls of the house. During a sprint, the team holds quick daily meetings, which is called stand-ups, to discuss the progress and any challenges. These meetings are short and focused and usually standing up to keep them brief. At the beginning of each sprint, the team decides what they can accomplish based on their capacity and the project requirements. This is called sprint planning. At the end of each sprint, the team shows what they have completed to the project owner or stakeholders. This is called sprint review. And they also reflect on what went well and what could be improved in the meeting called sprint retrospective. The idea behind Scrum is to be flexible and adapt to changes quickly. It is like running a series of short races instead of one long marathon. This allows teams to respond to the feedback, make adjustments, and deliver value to the customers sooner. Overall, Scrum helps teams collaborate efficiently, stay focused on goals, and continuously improve their work. It is like having a structured game plan that helps teams to achieve success step by step. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.